All right. So for this demonstration, okay, I'm going to show you how to render a normal map texture with your assets. For example, you are using any normal maps, yung big texture. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to render them. So normally, okay, we are using Blinn for this one. So pag nag-render tayo, I'm just going to add some lights. For example, I'm going to add physical sky. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to use the Arnold render viewer. Okay. So currently, ayan, 'di ba? So wala siya. Hindi siya nakikita. Okay. So hindi natin nakikita yung ating texture. Okay. So to fix this problem, okay, we just have to change the texture or the material of the sub asset. Okay. So from blend, okay, make sure assign yung material tayo. Again, and then we can use standard surface, or we can also use the AI standard surface. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to use the standard surface. Okay? And then, i-apply na natin siya. So we have to scroll down. Okay? Just go scroll down lang and then find geometry. Okay? So in geometry, we can find the bump mapping. So again, si bump mapping, dito natin piniplace yung ating normal map. Okay? This is where we place our normal map or yung ating big texture. Okay? So just press lang this one and then go to file. Okay? And then use as, instead of bump or object space normals, we are going to use the tangent space normals. Okay? And then just click this one again and then locate na yung file ng ating texture. For example, ako, nakalocate siya dito. Ayan. So, WMN, ayan. Okay? So, once na done na yan, we can also go to color balance and then turn off the alpha is illuminance. Okay? And then we can go back to our Arnold render viewer and then hit play. Ayan, di ba? Ayan. So, as you can see, nakikita na natin yung ating texture. Okay? So, adjust ko lang ating shadow. Medyo maliwanag. Okay. So, ayan na. So, nakikita na natin yung ating i-render. So, for this one, for example, you don't want to include the outside or yung ano natin, yung sky dome natin. Ayaw natin include siya sa render. Okay? So, we can scroll down. Syempre, click natin. Make sure na you are in the sky dome light. Okay? On the attribute editor, scroll down nyo lang and look for the visibility. Okay? Look for the camera and replace lang natin yung value ng 1 into 0. Okay? So you can see, tatanggal na natin yung visibility ng ating sky dome light. Okay? So nagstay pa rin yung lighting, but at the same time, wala na yung ating visibility. Okay? So if you want to, again, ayan, bring the visibility lang, just make the value 1 again para makita na natin yung visibility ng sky dome. Okay? Pero for this one ako, I'm just going to use the 0. Okay? With no visibility. Once na done na, we can now go to our Arnold settings. Okay? This one. And then we can change our image size to, let's say, I'm going to use the HD 1080. Okay? So ito, enough na to. And then we can go to Arnold render. And then we can adjust this one. So we can add 4 for this one. Add another one. So add diffuse natin. Add tayo another one. Specular, we can also add another one. Okay? So this will increase the pixels of your render or yung samples nung nire-render natin. Okay? So instead na gawin nyo pang 4K yan, HD 1080 will be enough na. Okay? So for example, ako okay na to. I'm just going to use a JPEG for my render. Set nyo yung name. For example, washing machine. Ayan. And then, once na okay na, okay, I'm going to close. I'm going to go to rendering. Go to render. Then render sequence. Click nyo yung parang option box. Currently, nasa perspective lang naman ako, so I'm not using any camera. Locate ko lang yung file kung saan ko siya gustong idalhin. Ayan, dito ko siya gusto ilagay. Select, render sequence, and close. So magre-render na siya. Ayan, so okay na siya. So punta tayo dun sa file. Ayan, so malinaw-linaw na siya kahit papaano. Okay? So that's it lang. So that's how you render your asset lang if you are using any normal maps. Okay? So if you have any concern or question, again, para dun pala sa submission nyo, you need at least 2 renders. Okay? So kayo na bahala dun sa angles na gusto nyo ipakita. Pero I need at least 2 render images. Okay? So if you have any concern or questions, just please ask lang sa Discord. Okay? So that's it lang. Good luck, guys.